Welcome to Keeping Matters. I'm Tamilisa. I know how it feels to have that pile of papers sitting in the corner of your house, or maybe in boxes in your basement that you know need to be gone through or digitized. Or perhaps you have a bin full of tapes of all different sizes and you wish you could see what's on there and you wonder how you're ever going to play it again, and you'd like to be able to share the clips with maybe your kids or grandkids. Or perhaps you have a journal that you've kept, or 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 or 20, because you inherited all of your parents' stuff when they passed away, and you also have your parents' stuff. And I know it can feel very overwhelming, but I'm here to help. I'm here to help you take it a little bit at a time, because that's the trick, until it's done. I know how it feels to have it all done and in an organized place, such as on a hard drive, all digitized, ready to be shared, ready to be passed down as technology changes, or changed in format as technology changes, or uploaded to the Family Search site. We'll talk about that too. I'm here to be a motivation to you. I'm here to answer questions that you might have. If I don't have the answer, I'll try to help you find the solution. Technology is always changing, so sometimes we're chasing answers, but I will try to help. Now is the time to get this stuff done. It's becoming increasingly harder to find the equipment that we need, stores that will do it for you, etc. So now is the time to tackle this. I know you can do it. The trick again is to take it a little at a time. Subscribe to the channel. That'll help others be able to see this content, like the videos, all that great stuff, so that we can help the rest of the world do the same. Again, I know you could do it. I'm here to help you. Let's get digitizing.